Hello everyone. I am going to show you how to upload a video and add it to your page for the project. Now, I think everyone should already be able to do this. It is very similar to your audio recording, but I'm going to do it for video just in case someone doesn't remember. So first of all, I have my video right here on my computer. So you want it on your computer. You can also do it on your smartphone, but I'm not going to show you how to do that. You can figure that out yourself. So you open up YouTube. I already have it open up right here. Make sure you're signed into YouTube. So I have mattteacherESL@gmail. And you go plus, okay? Create video or post. You click that and you go upload video. So now you go to select files to upload, okay? And you find your video file. Where is it? It is, where is it? Self-driving car, okay, open. And it will upload it and process it, all right? Don't need a description, don't need a tag, just upload it. Now this is gonna take a while, so I already have it right here. So you've uploaded it and everything, and it's ready to work. Now I want to show you one thing first before we continue. You need to make sure that the video is in public and not private. This says unlisted, so I wanted to put it to public so that people can see it. So done and save. All right. Now, after that, we have to put it onto the site. And this is really simple, very similar to what we did with the Sling project. So you can go to, Matthew's EFL class site, or you can just go to your site yourself. But you can go here to easily find the links to your site. So we go to class site links, and we're just going to choose a random class right here. Don't worry, 213. I will delete it later. All right, and we'll go to my group. All right. And this is going to be a new project, so of course we're going to go to create page, all right, and project 3, and this is called self-driving car. You will have different names for yours, but this is the name of this video, all right. So you say put page under group 8, teach, and create. So it's creating. Okay. Now we have our page and we want to put the video in here. All right. So what we do is we go back to here. We go to, just being silly, share, and you want to get the embed or the HTML code. So you copy this. All right. Go to copy. Then you go back. All right. And remember, we have to go to HTML and click it in there, and that's about it, right? And you can preview it, see if it's there. It's there, all right? Now, after that, I want you to put your script here, your script with student names and numbers. To tell you the truth, I would like this under the video, so we should put it under the video. All right, and in the beginning, I'd like a summary description, okay, of your project. Oops, can't type. And then you go to update, check it. This will be a description of your project right here. Your script with student names and numbers right here, and then save. And then you check it and see if it works. It should work, okay? And then you're all good. So if you have any questions or anything, you can come to me in my class or come to my desk, or you can even email me, but I never answer my emails because I never look at them. So that's it. All right. Good luck.